call me Maruf Idris. I am a Nigerian from Kwara State, living down in Lagos. Don't mind my voice, it is AI generated voice. Let's learn programming called HTML now.
Okay, hello there. This is HTML tutorial. The topic we are dealing with today is HTML editors. A simple text editor is all we need to learn HTML. So what is HTML editor? An HTML editor is a software tool or application that allows users to create, edit, and modify HTML documents, which are the building blocks of web pages. HTML editors provide a range of features and functionalities to make it easier to write, format, and optimize HTML code. So let me give you some features of HTML editor. Number one, syntax, highlighting, and auto-completion. Number two, code formatting and indentation. Number three, error detection and debugging. Number four, preview and live preview. Number five, templates and snippets. Number six, file management and organization. And the last one is collaboration and version control. So we have different types of HTML editors around. But when we say HTML editor is professional editor, it must have all these features. And the simple editor I want to introduce you in this class, in this lesson, also have few of these features I just mentioned. Now, we can learn HTML using Notepad or TextEdit on your system. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. I just mentioned that now. However, for learning HTML, I recommend a simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit. That is Notepad that is using Microsoft, and TextEdit in System Software Mac. I believe in that using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. So now follow the steps below to create your first web page with Notepad or TextEdit. Now, how do we open Notepad application in your system if you are using Windows 8 or later version? All you need to do is open the start screen, the window symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Then you type Notepad. There you will see the application there. But if you are using Windows 7 or earlier version, all you just need to do is to open Start, then you see Program, you click Program, you see Accessories, then you click Accessories, there you will see Notepad application there. Now, if you are using Mac, of course you cannot find Notepad there. What you will find there is TextEdit. That's the application you will find there. So what you need to do is to open Finder. When you open Finder, you will see applications there. You click Applications, then there you see TextEdit. For better usage, you also need to change some preferences to get the application to save files correctly. So in preferences, you click formats. You after clicking formats, then you choose plain text. Then under open and save, check the box that says display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Then open a new document to place the code. Now, step 2 is how to write some HTML. Now, because you are a beginner, you don't need to bother yourself. You can just copy all the code we have here in our simple editor that we are using for lesson here. Just copy everything there and paste it either in your notepad or in your text edit. And this is how it will display there. When you do that, this is how it will display. Now let's move on to step 3. How to save the HTML page. Now, your notepad, what you need to do is to save the files on your computer, select file, then when you select file, you will see save as there. So you save your document in that notepad menu through save as button there. Then you need to name the file index.atm and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is, of course, the preferred encoding for HTML files. Then the final step is view the HTML page in your computer's your computer browsers that you have in the web browser you have in your system. So how do we do that? Open the save HTML file in your favorite browser, double click on the file, or right click and choose open with. When you do that, this is the results here. What you see here is the results you are going to see on your browsers. So remember, this is just a simple code for learning. So in our subsequent class, I will teach you more about every other thing you need to know on the HTML, and you can use this step to practice even without data, without internet. You can use Notepad to display everything I just talked about. Thank you. God bless you.